If you want a thicker, greener, healthier lawn in 2026, the time to start planning for that is right now. So today we're going to be breaking down how to build a lawn care program with the seasons in mind. Overall, what that's going to do is that's going to help avoid stress, weed pressure, and give your lawn a healthier appearance all year long. Let's dive in. From all my years with Lawn Doctor, some of the biggest mistakes that we see homeowners make during the year are these: reacting to problems instead of preventing them. A good and successful lawn care program is all about timing. A lot of times they're not following the correct timing on some of the applications. Knowing what to apply and when. Planning ahead can save time, money, and also the look and appearance of your lawn. Before you plan for 2026, we actually need to look back at your lawn for 2025 and see what happened that last year. A couple of the things we're going to be looking at as: did you have a lot of weed pressure? How was your watering schedule? Did you have thin spots or really big bare spots in that lawn? Did you have any pressure from disease or insects? A lot of these things can factor into the lawn this year, so we want to make sure we prepare for some of these things for this year. We're going to start with spring. Spring is going to set the tone for the entire year. We're going to be focused on a few things. We're going to be looking at pre-emergent applied at the exact timing, early weed control, light fertilization such as nitrogen. We don't want to overdo it in the spring. We're going to focus on soil-based results to prepare your lawn for the year to come. If spring is rushed or skipped or maybe done wrong, you're going to be spending the rest of the year trying to catch up and deal with those issues. After springtime, we move into summer, right? So we're looking for a few things. We want to really be providing maintenance and low-term stress in that summer time frame. A few of the things we're going to be looking at are slow release fertilization. We're going to be looking at mowing height. We want to really be focused on watering, just like this. What that's going to do is that's going to prepare your lawn in the summer, reduce stress, keep it green, and really build those results going into that fall time frame. Good program supports the lawn during times of high heat and stress, therefore not pushing it into overgrowth or stressing it out. You can also tune into our videos and our series we have on our YouTube page to really dive in to that summer time frame and what to apply also. If you only take one thing from this video, let it be this: fall is the most important time for lawn care. Why does fall matter? Because you want to build your strong roots during the fall time. You want to repair that summer damage. You're also going to have your seeding time frame in there to help from that summer damage. You're going to start to prepare your lawn for the winter, and that's going to set up your spring success the following year. Fall fertilization and overseeding can make or break your lawn the following year. Soil testing for your lawn is very important, and it lets us remove the guesswork from the equation, right? Knowing your soil's pH, nutrients, the macro micronutrients, and some of the other things can really help us tell what your lawn truly needs and it doesn't need, and we can actually custom blend our program to fit all those needs within your lawn that season. Whether you're a DIYer or working with a professional, you want to make sure you're focused all on that program, consistency, and timing. A planned program can take the stress out of lawn care and help prevent very common mistakes. Here at Lawn Doctor, we have licensed professionals that very much know the lawns in West Michigan, and they're going to give you those proper results, the great guidance you need at the best time possible. So to recap, start early, focus on prevention, and don't skip fall for best results. Keeping in mind to follow the calendar, apply products at the right time, adjust based on weather, and remember, be patient. Lawns take time. You may not see results in the very first application. It's going to take multiple applications throughout the season. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly content like this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out in the comments. We are here to help you out and hopefully provide you your best lawn care season here in 2026. Thank you. Until next time.